Formerly Jolly Roger, now Pirates of the Caribbean. Look at this. Look at these running boards on this thing. And then waddle between the seats. That's cool. Or on the other side. I like the wheels too. Oh. No, I know those. That's like a light show back here. We'll see that tonight. Okay. So you've done a lot since I saw this last time even.
You noticed this? That's all hand carved leather.
I did, yeah.
And the instrument cluster over there. That's all built to Soda Digital.
Oh, it is?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's got a treasure map on the back. Share your pictures and videos on Fantasia Van's Facebook if you would.